Hey everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you under Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to take a look at your app tray and really what you're able to do just to get this thing in order and also sorted, cleaned up, things like that. Because the moment you get yourself a brand new Samsung Galaxy device, really what's happening here is every single time that you download a new application, it always adds it to the end of the list. And so that means that this is not in alphabetical order. And also too, you can make it clean up and look so much better. As example, this first page here, there is an empty slot. Don't know why that is sitting there as empty when there's other applications that could fill it in. And also too, you can change the grid of what it looks like. So first off, inside of the settings, you'd be able to go right here for this apps screen grid. So if you notice that mine might look different than yours, it's because I changed the grid where I didn't want it to be the 4x5, 4x6 or anything like that. I love this last option where it shows more in one image. And basically, if this is the one you would like to use, then you hit on save. So that one is the one that I already have selected. Now the next thing that you want to do is go to the very top right hand side. You're going to go to clean up pages. Now, when you clean up the pages, all it's really going to do is fill in all of that area. So you can see here that originally there used to be a slot down here where there was nothing. Now they basically moved over an application. And so it looks a lot better now. Everything is all filled in, cleaned in, but we're still not in alphabetical order. So on the very top, one more time, head up and you hit on sort. Now this is where you can go to alphabetical order. And really that is all you would have to do just to clean up and make your application tray look so much better. Here you can see it's all completely filled in. I have the grid size that I was looking for. And also too, everything is in alphabetical order, so it's so much easier to find no matter which application you're taking a look at. Even if you liked it originally, where it would basically fill it in terms of the custom order of either you moving it around or maybe the new applications coming in. Everybody knows the alphabet. You'd be able to find your application much quicker. So this was a quick, simple video of showing you how you're able to clean up your life of your applications. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air. That's how I roll. I got tons of